Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off notifications on Threads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Tap the Lines button in the top right corner of your profile. Select Notifications from the menu. Here you can tap Pause All to pause notifications for a specific amount of time. You can choose between 15 minutes and 8 hours to pause notifications for. If you would like to turn off rather than pause notifications, then tap Cancel. Now tap Threads and Replies. On this page you can choose specific notifications to turn off, or if you would like to turn off all notifications, then tap Off for every option. Go back to the previous page and tap Threads and Followers. Again, on this page you can choose to turn off specific notifications, or all of them. Once all of these options are set to off, all notifications will be turned off on Threads. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.